In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a broken account connection in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money provides several ways to fix connection issues when your bank stops syncing, so you can restore your financial data quickly. First, check the connection status by visiting Monarch's status page or waiting a bit, since some issues are temporary and resolve within 24 to 48 hours. If the issue continues, go to the Accounts page, select the affected account, and choose Update Login Settings. Re-enter your credentials and complete any verification steps to refresh the connection. If it still does not work, try adding the account again using a different data provider like Plaid, MX, or City. This can often fix syncing problems. You can also refresh all accounts from the Accounts page or import transactions manually using a CSV file if needed. As a last step, contact support with details if the issue persists. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.